Hi everyone, I'm Janie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because we're gonna do this stunning holiday makeup look that's perfect for Christmas parties, family gatherings, or even a cozy night in by the tree. It's all about the glowing skin and sparkling eyes and that iconic red lip. So yeah, let's get into it and create some Christmas magic. We are starting with a skin prep because a well-prepped base is the foundation of any great makeup look. I have moisturized to make sure that my skin is hydrated and smooth, and now I'm going in with this pore minimizing primer from Makeup Forever to help blur any imperfections and just to ensure that my makeup lasts all day and night. And I'm just gonna take teeny tiny amount on my palm. I'm focusing on areas where my pores are more visible, like around the nose and cheeks. For my foundation, I'm using that gives me a natural and radiant finish that's going to enhance the glow without looking heavy, and it's none other than my favorite Airbrush Flawless Foundation Stays All Day and Night from Charlotte Tilbury. One of my favorite foundations, and it's full coverage but it's not heavy. That's what I love about it. It's very creamy and it's not heavy and it's not gonna look cakey, so I love everything about this foundation. So I'm gonna use this one today, and I'm applying it with a damp sponge, and I'm gonna use these two. This is for my face and this is for my eyes, and for more precision. So it's a trio and you get 3 different shaped sponges, starting at the center of my face and working outward. This ensures that I get all the coverage where I need it and the edges can stay soft and natural. And I'm gonna put it everywhere on my eyes too. You guys can skip it, but I'm gonna cover every spot. Next, I'm using a brightening concealer. You guys can skip it because this foundation is full coverage, but if you want to look brighter around your eyes and your nose and your mouth, then you should definitely go for a brightening concealer. And today I'm gonna use one of my favorite full coverage concealers. Is this Natasha Denona, and the number is N1. A little bit in the inner corner, the outer corner, and a teeny tiny bit down the bridge of my nose. And that's it. And it's time to use this damn sponge. I'm so excited because I just love the shape of it. So cute. So let's see. As soon as I'm done with my concealer, I set my eyes immediately. And I'm using this Huda Beauty in Cupcake, and this is my favorite, and I'm just using this random puff I got from Amazon. I'm going to make my brows off camera and I'll be right back. I'm back and my brows are done, and now we're on to the eyes. And this is where the holiday magic really happens, because I'm gonna do glittery eyes, and I'm going to take you hours because I'm gonna keep it very simple but at the same time very dramatic. So what I'm going to do is, okay, right now this is my favorite eyeshadow palette, and it's Icy Nude by Huda Beauty. I love this eyeshadow palette, and If you have this eyeshadow palette, you know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, you definitely need to check out these colors. They're so pretty. Look at these colors. I'm starting with a neutral transition shade for my crease, for my base. And for that, I'm gonna use Cold Plunge. And for that, I'm gonna use this brush right here. And this is Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush. And I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. And now I'm going in with a shimmering gold shadow all over the lid. And for that, I'm gonna use gold standards. And for that, I'm using gold standards. And for that, actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of these because sometimes your fingers just can't go in there. So I wanna make a nice shape. So I never used this thing. So this is, I would say, my first time. So I'm gonna use this. I'm spritzing a setting spray before, and here we go. Ooh, I'm loving it. All over the lid. Look at that. Okay, I'm done with this step, and once I'm done with this step, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this faux fur and I'm gonna put it into the crease, and you'll see. And the brush that I'm using is Pro Crease 19 Sephora brush. I'll take it and just follow this shape. Just stay right here. I'm going to finish by lining the eyes, and I'm going to make a nice wing, but I'm not going to use any liquid eyeliner. What I'm going to do is I am going back to this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette and going for the darkest color in this palette, Abyss, and make a nice wing. And it's way easier than a liquid eyeliner. The number is, so this is Sigma Small Angle E65. Follow your natural eye shape and you'll never go wrong. And instead of this, always go like this. I'm almost done with my wing. What I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna put a little bit in the inner corner just to make my eyes look longer and sultry. To finish this look, first of all, I'm gonna get rid of this powder. I'm gonna use the same brush and going in with this faux fur. I'm going in with this faux fur color and put it here. This was not the plan, but I feel like I'm also gonna put a teeny tiny bit around here just to finish the look. And right here. And once I'm done with my eyes, we are topping it off with dramatic lashes for that full glam effect. And for that, I'm using these Kiss lashes, not too natural, not too dramatic. For mascara, I'm using Lancome. Okay, I'm done with my eyes, and now the hardest part is done, and now I can go back to contouring, and I'm just gonna contour my face real quick. And the brush that I'm using is by Mario, and the number is F1. For bronzer, I'm using this House Labs bronzer, and the number is medium level 7. I'm lightly sweeping it along the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and my forehead. And then I'm gonna use this side for my nose. And I'm done with my bronzer, and next up is my favorite part, and that is blush. For blush, I'm using Pat McGrath Labs, and the name is Love Struck. For my blush, I'm using this rosy pink color. Next up is highlighter, and for that I'm using this Dior highlighter, and I'm going for this champagne color, this one right here. And I'm just going to use my fingers, no brush for this, on my brow bones. Bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. I'm starting with a lip liner to define my shape, and for that I'm using this because this is the only one I have, so I'm just using this Kylie's lip liner. Filling in my lips with this classic red matte lipstick by NARS, and the name is Power Trip. And I'm gonna make it even darker with this Too Faced matte lipstick, and the name is Drop Dead Red. And here it is, the perfect holiday makeup look. It's glamorous, festive, and it's gonna make you shine wherever you go this season. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wishing you all a beautiful holiday filled with love, laughter, and a little extra sparkle. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!